Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal C20 Pro, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder, which, let's see how long it takes me to find it. There we go, it's right over here. Once you see the toggle on your phone, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up a window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. So under the drop down we can choose microphone, device, or both. And with this being checked off, obviously it won't record any kind of audio. Next we have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the screen. I'll enable this just so you can see how that looks like. Anyway, from here we're going to select start. And this will begin a 3-second countdown. And then with a notification, start recording. So here you can see the dot kind of following my finger, and you can open up some kind of applications to record them. Once you're done recording, pull down your notifications again and click right here to stop the recording. And this will automatically get saved to your Photos application or gallery, as we have right here. And you can see it right here under the Photos tab, but if you're trying to find a screenshot later on down the line, or screen recording in this case, it might be easier to go into the folders, and you will find a folder called albums, or not albums, what am I saying, called movies. So in here you'll not only find the screen recordings but also videos that you might have captured with the device, but it's still going to be much easier to find your screen recordings in here rather than in your entire library. Now, while this is playing back, I also want to point out that you might encounter at times a black recording where it's just straight up black screen. And if you do, that means that whatever application you were trying to record was blocking your screen recorder, as it just didn't permit that. And I want to point out that, for instance, one of those applications would be Netflix. And even though you might not have an account with Netflix, even though you haven't installed the application, even though you, for instance, haven't agreed to terms of service or done any of that, the application can still block the screen recorder if you open it up, even though you technically never gave permission or agreed to anything from that application, which I would consider to be kind of a violation of your rights. But, you know, to one's violation of the rights is another company's profit, so I guess it's all good. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.